CKA Challenge Question 7. Having the weightage of 5%. Create a new deployment called Web Project 268 with the image Nginx. You have to use the tag 1.16 and one replica. Next, upgrade the deployment to the version 1.17 using the rolling update. Make sure that the version upgrade is recorded in the resource annotations. This question is related to the process of deploying and updating a containerized applications in the Kubernetes cluster. Specifically, it asks you to perform the following tasks. Create a new deployment using the name Web Project 268. The deployment should use the container image Nginx with the tag 1.16 and have only one replica. A deployment is a Kubernetes resource that manages the set of identical pod and ensure that the desired number of replica is always running. Upgrade the deployment to version 1.17 using a rolling update. A rolling update is the deployment strategy that replaces the old replicas with the new one gradually, means one by one, to ensure that the application remains available and responsive throughout the update process. Record the version upgrade in the resource annotations. An annotations is a key value pair that can be attached to the Kubernetes resources to provide additional metadata. In this case, you should add an annotations to the deployment resource to indicate that it has been upgraded to version 1.17. In summary, the questions requires you to create a new deployment, upgrade it to new version, and annotate it to the record upgrade. This types of task is commonly performed by DevOps engineer and Kubernetes administrator to manage the deployment of containerized applications in a scalable and reliable manner. Take on the challenge of solving these questions on your own first, but if you encountered any difficulty in solving it, refer the next video for solution. Best luck. Okay, now we have to create one deployment. The name of the deployment is Web Project 268. So let's create it. kubectl create deployment. The name of the deployment is Web Project, and the number of the project is 268. Okay, the image that we are going to use, as per the questions, we have to use Nginx, and the tag is 1.16. And it's asking to create a one replica. By default, the one replica will be created if we not define anything, so it's not required. And the strategy for this deployment by default is rolling update, so there is no need to define anything, just create the deployment. Okay, so one deployment is created. kubectl get deployment. So one deployment is created, and it's creating one pod for this. Let's monitor that as well. Pod. So we have one pod currently running. Now we have to set our image. There is two ways we can define, but we have to record the version. We record the version informations as well. So better to create with the imperative way. So let's check the container. What is current deployment is using. kubectl describe the name of the deployment is web. So you can see that the container it's using is Nginx. Okay, so let's clear the screen first. kubectl set image deployment, and the name of the deployment is web project. The number of the project is 268. Okay, and the container name is Nginx. Okay, and we are going to set the image as per the questions. The version is 1.17. and we have to record. This is the very important. So you can see that the image is updated. Let's verify it. kubectl and describe deployment. Name of the deployment is graph deployment, and graph for the image So you can see that our image is set with the new one 1.17. Now check the history. kubectl rollout history for the deployment, and the name of the deployment is. So here you can see that we have recorded all the informations, and this is the requirement of the questions, so that it's saying that the make sure that the version upgrade is recorded in the resource annotations. So it's already recorded the informations that under the revision number 2 what we did. So which it's clear that we are changing the image. The previous one is we have 1.16 and current is 1.17.